Kennedy. Don't worry about old router tables. They're homemade. They work fine. Back in the day, I had a huge fish tank on here. It broke in it, so I made a bench on it instead. I had this thing outside. Now I just use it for miter, whatever. Okay. Easy. Screw in and get some more too. It's on. Don't worry about dust collection. Don't worry about headers. Yeah. Go. Yeah, I need to put some more support in here. This is actually going to be rebuilt anyway. Just want to get it out of my way. Get it over there. Get it over there. All the looky loos stuff. They're all out. Look at Hey, look at that. It was meant to go there. It was meant to go here. Where's the rig? Damn, that thing's heavy. Yeah, get in there. Don't worry about dust collections. Alright folks, that's load one here of getting sent over to the new garage, which is the old garage. And yeah, I don't know if you want to watch this or not, but I'll put it out there for those who want to watch it. But thanks for watching. Until load two. Bye now.